It is May 1. And again, it's doing, what's it doing? A little bit of rain, Joni? What do you think? And we're going, May 1 and Saint Adolfo Day, or like some big saint.
Alfia.
Alfia. And
It's a village on the mountain.
yes. And there, up there, we just came down from there, which is Petula.
Petula, where we live.
Yes, and then down this way.
Ooh, I think we'll take the stairs.
You want to take the stairs today?
Yeah, we'll go through the gate.
Okay.
See the gate?
Today, but we're going to go down there.
past P.O.P., the cottage of P.O.P.
Yes.
And then we get eventually down a few more stairs and terraces. We get to Maurizio's place.
Perfecto, no? It's perfect, no?
Beautiful rain.
Yes.
It's just.
And what's to the left of us here?
So reminds me of Vancouver.
Yes. And the chickens aren't out today. They're in the coop. But the chickens are right there.
No wonder.
Well, yeah.
Can't blame them.
No. Well, we're heading down. Wow. What a beautiful rain, no? Oh, look at the rain and the mist. Another beautiful foggy day on Mount Etna. Oh, amazing, no, Joni? I can't get any better. We're just going past
The Australians.
POP, and the Australians are staying here for a month. And here we go. There's a small vineyard right there. And this is, we're going down.
The mist on my face.
Oh.
Oh, feels so good.
You love it?
Woo, yeah.
Perfecto. Okay, now you gotta be a little careful. Joni, could be wet.
Okay.
On slippery, could be a little slippery, so just be careful. Okay. And here we go. Down, down, down. Exactly. There's fruit trees all around.
Hang on.
Flowers like crazy. Okay, keep walking there, Joni. Treacherous. Ciao, 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 ciao. On our way down, nice yellow roses, and the barbecue pit is right there. We barbecued, and some beautiful. Well, Don's got some beautiful different flowers everywhere, right? Yeah.
These lemons are coming. The
Apparently, the lemon
buds.
tree is a little bit. It's a little bit too high for lemons here, but there are lots of flowers on it.
The
Right, Johnny?
above sea level. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
In here, it's moving.
Ooh-wee. This is our little home away from home. Yes.
Here we're arriving.
Ciao, 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 ciao. Oh, Maya. Yeah, Maya's coming to meet us. Oh, she doesn't like the rain.
Okay, here we go.
Okay,
Here we go.
and you go. Maya, what do you want? Do you want me to rub your head? Yes, come, I'll rub your head. Come. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Maya, you love your head being rubbed. Oh, yes, you love it.
Hi, Maya. Yes, hi, Maya.
Ah, these are these,
No, tacchia.
this is meatballs, yes?
They are so good.
Oh, here, from the chick. Ah, fantastic.
These meatballs you have.
They're best. Nella. Ah, perfect. Ah, there. Ah, bellissimo. Woohoo.
Sono buone.
Yeah.
In the base, okay.
So what is this one? Is this the one with this? The
This one is.
This one is a lasagna, but with vegetables.
lasagna with vegetables.
Green lasagna, giusto?
Let's see. Let's cut it open.
A sausage.
Oh, a little bit of sausage?
Spinach.
I don't still have
What about spinach?
And there's a little
spinach, sausage, tomato
mini cheese.
Ah, perfect.
for my drink.
Tell me how good that tastes, Andrea.
I
Buon
touched heaven
pranzo.
and the-
Non lo so come è
You touched
venuta,
heaven
ma
and then you
ho fatto
came
una
back?
lasagna che
Yeah.
viene piaciuta
Okay, I'm
tanto.
glad you
It's
came back.
smooth,
Piece of seal.
very tasty.
It's true.
Questa è
This
una
one has
lasagna leggera,
something different
senza
because
ragù.
usually we don't put spinach, vegetables and something
Ma
like
già
that.
l'hanno mangiata.
Yeah, sì.
Ma st'acqua di
But
chi è?
Perfecto. So, but today, what is? Tell me, explain to me the Sant'Alfio. Sant'Alfio.
Sant'Alfio.
Okay, and that's a saint.
Yeah, it's a saint. And then I think that they start today the festival.
Domenica è.
And what is it like?
Domenica Sant'Alfio.
It's a festivity for the patron saint,
Yes.
La prima domenica di
and
maggio.
the festivity will last from today until Monday,
Sì, ma
until
questa è la
Sunday.
prima domenica.
Well, how are they going to do fireworks
Non è che
today?
casca sempre.
You will have hours of fireworks.
Today, there's no fireworks. Today, it's raining.
Oggi non ce n'è bombe?
Sì, a ieri.
They start from today till
Non
the
so quando mezz'ora di
first
boom.
Sunday of May.
Yesterday, half an hour.
Ah.
So all day they keep
Allora è come da
putting the fireworks on
Sempre più Sant'Alfio, ma poi non
until
avevo.
Sunday.
Until
Io
Sunday.
una
That will be the
prima.
last
È
day.
oggi.
Non è oggi.
Now comes the carne. Orazio? Now comes the carne,
Yeah,
which is
second course.
second course.
Allora,
Yes.
in questo momento è staccato.
Well, we've had 3 courses already.
Sunday.
Yes.
Lasagne.
Yes.
The second course with the meat.
Ah. And that meat is there pork in there? Do you know what Leanna put in there?
I really
Is
don't
it
know.
beef or
It's beef.
beef?
One is ground meat,
Okay.
and the one is a piece of something.
Ah, okay. Ah, perfect. Perfect.